man, I'm gonna start it right now. I'm starting recording.
Fucking four. Okay, so a boys 4-pack is only $12, but just a men's simple 3-pack is fucking 34. Why are they trying to fuck?
What?
me?
What?
I feel like I just got raped. Thank you, Amazon. Hey kids, let's get this video
This
canceled
rape is
out.
sponsored by Amazon.
Alright guys, never buy from fucking Amazon, okay?
I
Let's
bought
just...
from Amazon before, it's just like
Bonus
the
Yeah,
clip.
I've literally bought like maybe over $100 worth.
Bonus clip.
Hey look, I'm suddenly like broke but not broke again. What is
This
this?
is suddenly broke but not broke. Have you ever happened where you're broke but at the same time you're not broke? It's called slight poverty. Welcome to the lowest middle class.
I swear to God, if I don't get my money back for that, I'll be triggered.
Okay, so you'll be at the current state you're normally in.
Yeah, definitely.
You're always triggered. You're always triggered.
It depends on the day, okay? Sometimes
On the
when
day.
like
So it's like that time of the month.
yes. Wow, 90% off disc. Well, too bad that's still over $100. Why can't I find
So Hollow, I was just about to ask when you were getting in.
Yeah, I'm jumping in.
So do not cap the point.
Wait, what?
You do not cap the point.
I will cap everything.
And do you have the direct hit for the soldier?
You're on the way to harvest King of the Hill. I hate King of the Hill.
Well, no, we're not going to be like capturing the point. It's just going to
Yeah.
be like on the map. Well, I'm doing it because literally the map can last forever if you don't cap it.
Yeah. Gonna cap everything. We're gonna cap the blue team. We're gonna cap the red team.
I don't think you understand what King of the Hill is.
I know what King of the Hill is. I'm just
being Grand Autismo.
Hmm?
Being Grand Autismo,
probably yeah.
as Verge says.
What team are you on?
I'm
No,
on
you're on
red.
the red. Oh, I gotta go on blue.
Yeah, because like you can't have imbalanced teams.
I can only go with the pyro. I forgot. I got the bow.
You have the huntsman.
I got the bow for the sniper.
Yeah, you got the huntsman.
Yeah. I don't like it at all. I don't know why I have it now. Damn you.
Oh crap! Hold on, I'm accidentally capping. Hold on.
Ah! God damn it! You and your goddamn rocket launcher.
Well, this is a direct hit, so it's harder to actually use because you have to hit everything directly to be damaged.
Well, I'm glad you actually
Hey,
killed
look,
me.
you found the Blotsauger.
Yeah.
Literally, like, actually, it's kind of decent. See, Hollow's about to realize.
Yeah, why? Yeah. I should. Why?
What? You're about to realize again why you should never play BFP.
Please don't freaking shove your goddamn rocket launcher up my ass like you did.
Sponsored by my crippling fucking depression.
I don't have any cam on that one. How'd you go?
I disappeared.
Stop disappearing. Come out with your rocket launcher so I can shove a goddamn arrow up your ass. I should have OBS on there. Ah! Leave me alone. You shit. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Shh, God damn it, your rocket launcher!
I was originally just gonna kill you with the panic attack.
Don't. Your rocket launcher's gonna piss me off like it did last time. I'm changing my class. I'm going pyro.
I'm absolutely horrible with the.
You guys are one of those guys in, like Call of Duty that uses the bread and thinks they're like COD pros.
Yeah.
The fucking bridgey.
Leave the frick alone. Rocket launcher your ass. Damn it! Way too overpowered.
I'm not too overpowered. I was only
You
at 11
are.
health. I was only at half health, and then, like, when I killed you, I only had
Screw
11.
this. Screw this.
One of my friends actually went viral, guys. I feel so proud of him.
Oh no.
He
What
got
did they
viral
do?
for doing, he did the splits.
He did this
Football for a dance off. He did this.
split.
Yes.
Hell out of here. Hell out of here. Hell out of
For doing
here.
the splits, you're
Hell
playing
out of
the
here.
thing.
He's an
Okay.
offensive lineman.
Hell outta here.
It was a very sudden, traumatic moment.
Excuse me, are you trying to go spy on me?
No. No. Not trying. I am. I can't knife. It won't let me.
Because you're cloaked, you
I
idiot.
know, but when I was at a cloak, it wouldn't let me. I'm at 11 health. Shit. On the bright side.
On the bright side, I'm dead.
Oh God. Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna keep on using the direct hit because, like, if I use any other rocket launcher, you're actually gonna get really pissed off because, like, I can't do splash damage with the
Oh
direct
no, dude. This is so annoying.
hit. Yeah, do you remember why you don't ever play TF2 with me?
Yeah. Oh my God. Because you're an ass with it. With your
TF2.
goddamn rocket launcher. Leave me be. It's gonna be like an hour, 2-hour freaking video. Cause this is just the prep time right here.
Do you not know how to edit like a video down? for 2
No,
hours?
I do. I just don't have a good one. I don't have a good editing software. The one that I use screws up my
Oh,
videos.
you actually got you.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
finished me off. It wasn't a kill. It was a finish off.
Aw. Sucks. We got fool.
Because I killed myself with my own rocket launcher. Since you're gonna be a skunk, I'm gonna use something to my advantage.
No.
Did you just kill yourself?
I respawned as a sniper.
Oh, this will make things a lot better.
No, what are you talking about?
Shit. Snipper.
I'm trying to get my sniper back. I think I know how.
Holy fuck, this is a choker.
Oh, you have to press period.
Yeah,
No, wait,
I
not
got
period,
it. I
not
got
period.
it.
You
I
have
got
to
it.
press
I
enter.
got it. I got it. I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Do you know?
Yes, I do. I got it. Yep, I fixed it. Yeah. Ow. Shit. Come on. The black box sucks ass.
It doesn't suck. It's just to carry my own weight kind of gun. Rocket launcher.
Yeah, I can really see you. You're running around, spawning or jumping from house to house. Wait, your goddamn rocket
It's
launcher.
called rocket launch.
Rocket jumping, yeah.
It's a very valuable asset.
It's a very stupid way to get around.
No, it's actually a very valuable
I know.
way to get there. It's a very mobility.
Where you at? Where you at?
Sorry, I'm not meaning to cap.
I don't even know where the cap thing
I'll-
is.
I'll use my worst class.
Oh, that's the capture thing. Okay.
Yeah, don't cap it.
Okay. No, I'm totally not going to.
Yeah, don't follow the objective.
Shut up, leave me alone. Ah, leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone.
Oh, you're gonna use the SMG against me,
Yeah, fool.
Oh boy, some quality.
I'm at 29 health. It's not even roleplay. Ah, leave me alone. Ah, shit. Lucky.
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 What do you mean lucky?
You're lucky. You're a lucky son of a gun.
Lucky.
Come on, one. Prepare your respawn. Everybody get down on ground. Everybody get down. I can't even jump over that. Come on.
You have to use crouch jump.
Oh, I forgot I could do that. Okay. Yep. Yep.
The fuck? Oh my bad.
Wow. Wow. What the hell did you throw at me?
A baseball.
You threw a baseball at me?
Yeah, I
What
hit a
in the
baseball at you and it
frick?
stunned you.
Why?
Hollow is so amazed and yet infuriated about
That
this
was
kind of stuff.
stupid.
It wasn't stupid. It takes skill to use the.
That is stupid. You threw a baseball at me. Come on. Leave me alone with your goddamn baseballs. Are you parkouring? You
No, I'm
are.
double jumping.
Oh, it looks like that you're parkouring off the wall. Oh, yep, there we go.
It looks like you're parkouring off the wall and dies.
Yeah, it kind of does look like
This
that you were
is-
parkouring off the walls.
Well, I was just doing wall strafing.
Yeah, sure you were. Use this
Wall
shit.
strafing, that's what they call it. That's what they do. Like when you're going back and forth.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, you shit. I don't want to die. Leave me alone. You lost me. You totally lost me, mate. You actually just did lose me. I am the best at spying.
How much you know that?
I am lagging a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am lagging a bit because freaking this place.
How much you know about you're actually the best at playing?
I don't know. Come out, Vogel. Come out, wherever you are.
Huh. Okay.
I'm sorry. What? Do you want to run that by me again?
I
Yeah.
just yawned.
Screw off with your shotgun. Shite.
Do you want to make? Should I be spy now?
Sure, you can be spy. I'll freaking go with nothing.
You go with
This game
nothing.
sucks ass.
It doesn't suck. It's just you need to get
Sucks
good.
ass.
You
I'm
need
good.
to get-
I am good with a sniper, dude. I am good with a sniper, but no, when it comes to you, I just suck ass with it.
Because I'm a decent TF2 player.
No, because you're just a little shit that likes to use rocket launchers to jump around freaking roof to roof.
That's literally a skill every soldier uses.
Really no.
Like it's invaluable.
I can hear you. I heard your little. I hear your little freaking cloak thing. Somehow.
I'm just gonna mute myself so I can just scream real quick.
Okay.
No. Pumpkins. You're not there. Screw off! My mouse is glitchy as all balls. Come on. Really? Really? See you freaking running around. Don't go in there. Why are you going in there? Why are you going in there?
I think we should name. We should probably get a series going where we call it Hollow Rages in TF2.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not raging yet, but I will soon. I know it.
Mhm.
Freaking in there. You are in there, not in there. Hell out of here. Wish I could see your spy cloak. I think I can. Like, I could see a glimpse of it. I didn't see it when you freaking came up to me and started stabbing me in the ass.
Who's the nice ass that I stab?
Shut up.
Wait, no, that's Liz. Liz line.
Can you even see me?
What?
Can you see me?
I wouldn't tell you if I did.
Sure. I think. Oh no, I fell off. Ah, I'm stuck. You're around me. I know it. You're like right up my ass. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Yep. That didn't work. Ah, I'm stuck. No. 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 Yes.
I'm sorry, did you just say you're stuck?
I was, just a second ago. That freaking cloak can't go on forever.
When you use the cloak and dagger, yeah.
Bullshit.
It's like, it goes that you have 6 seconds of cloak, but like if you stay still, it recharges while you're cloaked.
Wow, that's stupid.
No, I mean, it's actually, like, regardless, it's like not overpowered by any stretch because you have less cloak.
Yeah. We should go spy against spy. Let's see how that works out. This is one game of freaking running around and not even finding each other. You ass! Yeah, I can't see you. That's stupid.
It's called cloak for a reason.
Yeah, but I thought there was a glimpse to it since it shows it on your screen.
Yeah, when you bump into them and they start to decloak.
Breaking my legs. No, 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 no. Shit. I don't like this. This is just mean.
You don't like that we're going 2 to 13 here?
It's just stupid. Leave me alone.
What do you mean leave you alone?
Leave me alone. I can hear freaking electric pulsing.
What do you mean electric pulsing?
Your
I can't
freaking
hear.
your little electric box thing or whatever the hell it is.
I'm not using the sap because there's nothing to sap.
I see you.
Do you know?
See you. I saw you. I don't know where. Are you still the spy?
What?
You're oh my god, no. This is not even going anywhere. Red bread. Ooh. Can I have some bread? Yeah, I got some bread. Got you. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Hell out of here. No, leave me alone. No. Go away. I will kukri your ass.
Bet. Melee fight me, I dare you.
Alright, freaking uncloak, bitch. In the background. You're not even uncloaked.
How do you know?
Cause if not, come find me in an uncloak right in front of me so we can have a melee fight. Probably just like right here. No, you're not. Okay. Eh. You ass! I knew that was gonna happen. I was just waiting for it. Freaking asshole.
You know?
No, I want a new class. Screw this. Freaking give me the goddamn heavy. This is not working because my game is lagging like all balls. What else do I have? I know I have a shotgun. And I got my fists. To punch you, bitch. Get wrecked.
One shot by the fist? That doesn't
Yes. Heavy's fists are one
work.
shot.
They're not. No, they're not. They're not one shot.
Then I guess you had low health.
Oh, you got random crit. That's why.
Oh, really? No. Should have a fist fight. Fist fight. Fist fight. We need more players.
Where you at?
Nowhere to be found. I know you're like
Oh,
right.
then-
You're right near me. I know it. Leave me alone. Ow. How did all this heavy take freaking damage from falling? No, I can understand. You are a sniper! You ass nut. Screw you. Freaking asshole, dude. Respawn. Should have a sniper battles. Sniper battles. Episode 1, season that freaking I
Episode
flip
1
out.
after the Hollow gets angry at me.
Yeah. 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 Are you still a sniper? Please.
Maybe, I don't know.
Don't be spy. Spies are for pussies. Oh boy. The hell was that? No. 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 You have a bow, don't you? Ah, shit! I saw it coming as well. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Spawn, please. Please. Please.
Oh my God.
Please spawn. Yo, Ernie. No, no. Look at it. Oh, it's been a while. Oh wow. And how long was it? How long ago was that? Oh wow. Oh, I got hit. Oh,
I actually
shit.
hit you?
No. I got a hit though.
I dare you to come after me. I dare you.
I don't wanna. Come on, come
I
on.
dare you to come after me.
Come out the door.
Nah, boy.
Come out the door. Gotcha.
What? You shot me through that small area?
Yeah. I'm a
Come
good shot.
after me. I dare you to come after me.
I don't wanna. Whew, ah.
You're not a real sniper if you don't pursue the chase.
Mm-hmm. But I want to pursue a chase. Oh, Jesus Christ, your freaking turret! Ah! Your turret is an asswipe, dude.
It's also a mini sentry, so it does half the damage.
Please tell me this freaking thing is already over. Please tell me it's about to be over.
Oh, it's gonna be over after I get my 20th kill.
No. You're not killing me.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Yeah, no. Ah! Get up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
When I get my 20th kill, we're done.
Mm-hmm. You sure about that?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Are you really
You
sure
wanna
about
know
that? Why?
Because the next kill is gonna make you rage quit.
No, not really.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure you're sure?
I am sure.
You spy?
Shit! No, 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 no! No, no! Shit!
20 kills!
Die in a hole. I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm rage quit. Psych, I ain't rage quitting. What are you talking about?
You know, I could
Jesus,
just go demo night on you.
No, yep, that's a rage quit. uh,
That's how you make Hollow Rage quit in 20 kills.
yeah. So,
Didn't actually stare. Oh, yeah, Lotus left. Pickles is dead.
yeah. This video is like 25 minutes long, so it's a good time to stop. Surprisingly.
Yeah. Took me, 25 minutes to kill you. 20 times.
I kind of want to do this again, but not right now.
25 minutes to kill me 6 times.
Well, that's a wrap. See you guys in the next one.